I help run a mid-sized Discord for a hobby community. Nothing dramatic, mostly code snippets, photos of desks, the weekly movie night. We got big enough that the report button started getting used and people started burning out. So in March, a friend of mine, Jamie, wrote a little tool for us, pre-send checker. It wasn't fancy. The idea was to catch the moments when someone, sleep-deprived at 2 a.m., was about to unload something they'd regret. Instead of banning a word or blocking a message, our gatekeeper would pop a little grey nudge above your text box, hey, want to rephrase. If you ignored it, it did nothing. If you clicked, it suggested softer wording. It kept a few fights from starting. People mostly liked it. Technically, it was a client-side plugin that listened to your input field and sent a hashed version of the draft to our server, where a small model scored it. Low latency, minimal data opt-in. We wrote the privacy doc. I pushed the code. It sat on GitHub with 5 stars and one issue about dark mode. A benign little thing. A month later, someone DM'd me a screenshot. The message was from Gatekeeper. It read, "Don't say that, it'll make things worse," and under it, our suggestion. No surprise there. The surprising part was what came next. Under the warning, Gatekeeper had pasted the exact sentence the user had been about to send. Same punctuation. Same typo. Except they hadn't pressed enter yet. The timestamp on the DM was 2 minutes after they deleted their draft. They sent me another screenshot. The message composer had been empty for 2 minutes. Then the DM arrived. Bug, they wrote. I never sent this. Why does the bot have it? I told them to hold off on uninstalling. I pinged Jamie. We dug through logs. The server showed the draft coming in, getting a borderline score, and the client receiving a nudge. That was normal. Nothing in the code would trigger a DM that repeated the draft. There wasn't a route for that. DM were only for safety reminders, self-harm, doxing. We built this carefully and we used plain text, please